In this lesson, we are going to learn about main method and execution of Hello World in Java. First, let's understand the theory. Then we are going to make practice. The main method is known as the entry point for the execution of your Java programs. Every Java application must contain a main method, acting as the launching pad where the program begins its execution. Think of it as the gateway that directs the flow of your code's execution. Understanding the main method is fundamental to crafting functional and executable Java programs. Before practicing, let's break down of key aspects related to the main method. Public. This keyword indicates that the main method can be accessed from outside the class. Static. This keyword allows the main method to be called without creating an instance of the class. Void. The main method doesn't return any value. Main. This is the name of the method. String args. The main method takes an array of strings as parameters, typically used to pass command line arguments. So, how does execution flow happen? When we run a Java program, the JVM looks for the main method as the starting point. The code inside the main method is executed sequentially. Without a main method, your program won't be executable. Now let's continue with system out print line. In the world of Java programming, the system out print line, Hello World, statement is a powerful tool for communicating with the outside world, specifically with the console. It allows you to display information, messages, or results of your program directly on the console screen. Let's dive into the details. System out. This part refers to the standard output stream, which is typically the console or terminal where your program's output is displayed. Println. This is a method that belongs to the print stream class. It stands for print line and is used to print a line of text to the console. Hello World. This is the content or message that you want to display. It can be a string, a variable, or any expression that evaluates to a printable value. Let's practice and write our first code. We open the Eclipse. If you are still not download the Eclipse, please check previous video to install it. First, we will create a Java project. Let's say Java Practice. Then we can click Next and Finish buttons. Then we will create a class. To able to create it, just expand the project. Inside the src file, we see a class. We can delete this module class because it is unnecessary. And right-click on src file, then click on New and select Java class. We can give name Hello World. Then make sure main method checkbox is selected to be able to see our main method is automatically created. We see the main method was created here. You can delete this line. Now, if we want our code is executable, we need to write it between these brackets. We can write our statement wherever we want between these two brackets. Now we will write system.out.println, Hello World. You can directly click on println from recommendations. Make sure close the statement with semicolon. Each statement or declaration must end with a semicolon. The semicolon serves as a signal to the compiler that a statement has ended. If we choose the ready method, it will create an open parenthesis, a close parenthesis, and a semicolon automatically. We just need to write what we want to print between the two parentheses and inside double quotations. In this case, we want to print Hello World, so I am writing Hello World. In this case, system out print line, Hello World, is a complete statement. It is a single instruction that tells the program to print "Hello World" to the console. Now let's run the code. For this, you can click on green button above. We should see the output as "Hello World" is here. So it is successfully printed. In this lesson, we learned main method and executed our first code. We are going to delve into Java in our next videos. To stay updated, you can click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.